Okay, here's a sneak peek, not of the app itself, but one of the features of it. So as you can see on my screen, I'm on my mobile phone here. I'm going to go to a page. If you see the last bit of the page, it says Fix Bad Cred. So let's go Fix Bad Credit page, okay? I'm going to open it up. I'm going to pretend that I'm Joe Blow. And I'm putting in my and then I'll put the phone number here. Click here. Okay, so I did that, and we'll wait a second, and something cool is about to happen. Oh, look, I just got a message from the app that I got a new contact, Joe Blow, and it tells me the landing page they went in on. Imagine getting notified instantly within seconds of people opting in your page, and you know the exact landing page they came in on right to your phone. Is that cool or is that cool? That's today's sneak peek of the app.